Hi friends, happy Friday. Today for our e-learning, our math lesson is called Domino Addition, lesson 7.2. Let's read our objective. Say, I can add. Today we are going to practice adding. Can you say adding? Good. Can you make a plus sign with your fingers? Across, straight down. We'll be practicing adding or joining together the dots on a domino. Our big questions today are, how do you know what numbers to put in the number sentence? When are you adding? Does it matter what order the addends are in? We will also be talking about this equal sign. Can you say equal and make an equal symbol? Good. You'll need to use an equal symbol today to write your number sentence. Okay, I'm going to step in and pretend to be a kindergartner. I'm going to model or show you exactly how I add the dots on the domino to find the sum or the answer. All right, I'm going to step in and pretend to be you. Okay, first I'm going to take a look at this first domino. I notice on the domino there's a line. Do you see that line? Good. That is the line that separates the different sides of the dominoes. The first thing I have to do is count the dots on each side. Then I have to write down the numbers. Okay, I'm going to start by counting the dark purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here on this number sentence, I need to write the number 7. So 7 plus, I have to count the pink dots now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 9 equals, well, to find that answer, Miss Murphy has to count them all together. I'll count them and join them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then I will type the number 15. That's a 1 and a 5. Now I will read my number sentence. 7 plus 9 equals 15. Wow, that's a big addition problem I just solved. All right, I'm going to step out for a second. What did you see me do first? That's right. I heard you say we had to count the purple dots on this side of the domino and then type in the answer. Then what did you see me do next? Count these pink dots and type in the answer. Finally, I had to do what? Very good. I had to count all of the dots because when we add, we join together. And then I read to you 7 plus 9 equals 15. All right, let's try another one. I'll go and you watch. Okay. Stepping back in and modeling to you like a kindergartner. All right, so here's my new domino. I see some dots on this side. I'm going to begin by counting the number of dots I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. I'll write a 5 plus, let's count the yellow dots. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3 equals, now I have to count all the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 total dots. Now I'll read my number sentence. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good. Again, you saw me start with this side and count those dots. Then I counted the dots on this side. Finally, I counted them all together. I'll step back in to try one more. Okay, I need to start with this side. This time maybe I won't pick this side. Maybe I'll pick the other side. So I'll start with this side. I don't see any dots, so that means there's 0 plus, because today we're practicing adding. How many dots are on this side? 1. 0 plus 1. Now I have to count them all together. 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Boys and girls, when we add, it doesn't matter which side of the domino you start with, because when you add, you can do the left side or the right side. You'll still get the same answer when you join together. Okay, now I need your help. If you have a piece of paper at home and your pencil, you can write down the number sentence that we solved together. We're going to start here. Let's count the yellow dots. I want to hear you counting. 1, 2, 3. On your piece of paper, I want you to write 3 plus, let's count the purple dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Equals, how do we find out what that equals? That's right, we join them together. We count all of the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On your paper, you could have wrote 3 plus 7 equals 10. If you need a minute to write this number sentence, go ahead. Good. Let's do the next one. This time, let's count the dots on this side of our domino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write 6 plus, now you count the dots on this side. I'll listen. That's right, 5. 6 plus 5. I want to see you start counting all the dots on this domino. Thumbs up if you got 11. Good. You should have wrote this number sentence. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay, let's do this one together now. We can start on this side of the domino. How many dots do you see here? That's right, 0 dots. How many dots do you see on this side? Very good. 0 plus 2. How many dots do we have all together? 2. Good job. Let's do this last one. You can start. This time, let's count the red dots first. How many red dots do you see? Good, I heard lots of you say 3. So write 3 plus, how many brown dots do you see? Good, 4 brown dots. 3 plus 4 equals, count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Great job, boys and girls. Now it's your turn. You have 4 different problems to try. I'm going to send you this Google slide, and you will type in the numbers in these boxes. If you are having trouble typing on here, You can write it in your notebook and have someone at home send me a picture. Start by counting the dots, then counting the other side of the domino, joining them together, and writing the sum or the answer. Okay, boys and girls, you were working so hard. This week has been pretty crazy being at home for our snow days, but you've been doing a great job of trying your best and staying on task. I can't wait to see you on Monday. Don't forget, we will have a Google Meet at 11 o'clock if you have any questions. If it's past 11 and you need help, have someone reach me on Parent Square and I'll be glad to help you. Bye now. See you next time.